Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about using Pancake Swap DeFi exchange. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. When it comes to using crypto exchanges, almost all of the popular exchanges are owned by a central authority or a person. For example, Binance is owned by Changpeng Zhao, and WazirX is owned by Nishal Shetty. These systems work well, but some developers decided to build centralized exchanges to make crypto systems work better and reduce costs. In 2020, a group of anonymous developers decided to build an exchange that would let users do peer-to-peer transactions using a process based on smart contracts. Pancake Swap is a decentralized exchange built on Binance Smart Chain, which is a faster and cheaper alternative to Ethereum. Pancake Swap lets users trade between cryptocurrencies by using liquidity pools made by other users. Also, it is the first decentralized food-based financial platform that allows cryptocurrency transactions and has features like swapping pools and liquidity pools. It works with all of the tokens that Binance supports except for Ethereum tokens, which have high gas and transaction fees. If there is a new token listed on Binance Smart Chain network, you can't buy it right away through an exchange. Instead, you can swap it for Pancake, which stands for token, and then exchange and sell it when the crypto token gets listed. Let's look at the step-by-step process of how to buy pancakes. I'm going to assume that you are an investor trying to buy pancakes with Indian rupee for the first time. We will first use WazirX to turn your Indian rupee into Binance. That is Binance Smart Chain tokens. 2. Once you have some BNB tokens, we will connect to PancakeSwap.finance using Trust Wallet. You can also sign up for a new account and download the Trust Wallet Android app. Also, make sure you use backup words and seed words. You can write down these seed words and keep them for later use as a backup. When you are done, you will get a message telling you that your account was created successfully. Now your wallet was created. 3. After logging into Trust Wallet, search for BNB, select it. Get your money into the BNB Trust Wallet account by copying the receiving public key from the Binance tokens. Select BNB here. Just look for how to get to the BNB tokens from your WazirX account. Click on Withdraw to do that. So click on Withdraw to see how much money you have in your Trust Wallet account. Here, you will see the money was successfully added. By swapping in Trust Wallet, you can turn BNB into Binance Smart Chain tokens. 4. In the Trust Wallet app, go to the DApps section and click on Pancake Swap, select DApps. Once you get to the Pancake Swap section, all you have to do is change your BNB tokens into Cake. Substitute BNB for Pancake. These pancakes can be kept in your Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.